Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1964 Chevrolet Impala. This is a true super sport. Great car, guys. We bought this from an older man. Car's out of West Virginia. It's got 3,900 miles on a complete body-up restoration. Awesome car, man. Car runs and drives excellent. Good, solid West Virginia body. This is your original color combination. It's Ember red. It's got the factory two-tone white and red interior. Original 327 car with air. Yes, air blows cold. Car's lowered down a little bit with a set of 18 and 20-inch Billet Specialties all the way around it. All brand new ZR rated rubber. Killer car, guys. Car's nice and clean underneath. We took some good pictures of the underside for you. I apologize right now about the little sprinkles of rain here. It's just spitting enough to drive you crazy, but we'll try to get through this video. Chrome and stainless is very nice on this car. You can see a little ding or so, but very nice. There's a little stone peck there in the paint. Bumpers are nice. Paint on this car is in excellent shape. And there's a little touch-up mark there. But nice car, man. Glass is nice. Now, we might have got the sprinkles to stop here. It was driving us crazy here a minute ago. Look how nice that stainless is. Pretty car. The fit and finish on this car is excellent. Just a great car, guys. See, it's nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. It drives out excellent. Like I say, the air blows cold. We've got the fender skirts for it. Look how nice that stainless is down the side. Again, original 327 car, 4-barrel, factory intake and ram's horn exhaust manifolds. It's got the stock air cleaner and valve covers, power steering. It's manual drum brakes, which is factory. Factory air does work, blows nice and cold. Original powerglide automatic transmission. It's got the Harrison radiator with the shroud. It's got the Clearview washer bottle in it, a washer refill bottle. This is a great car, man. I can't say enough about it. Like I say, it runs and drives great. You're looking for a nice big body Impala, I think you're gonna love this car. Nice the stainless is. New mirrors. Looks like new door handles. Yeah, those might be. Yeah, those got to be newer. Yeah, this is a factory two-tone white and red interior. You can see new carpet, new sill plates. Bucket seats, console, factory dash. $39.54 on the odometer, if you can see it in there. Again, factory dash. You can see how nice the gauges are and everything. Factory AM radio. Got the padded dash, dual exhaust, factory rear end. Everywhere you look, man, this car is nice. It's got the old BF Silvertown bias ply spare in it with the factory jack. Here's your original fender skirts. Nice, nice car, guys. So the fit and finish is great. Everything opens and closes nice. Again, we got it up in the air and took some nice photos of it underneath. Nice and solid, guys. It's a great car, man. Kick your air on, it works. Like I say, car runs and drives outstanding. I know, yeah, that original cold light still works in the dash. Fuel gauge works. Backup lights work. Well, I like this car, guys. Work?
It starts to get power up. I haven't got it to warm up yet.
It's original Delco. Yeah, I can hear it.
Yeah.
You can get a station. Definitely getting power. I know the blower motor works. There you go. Original AM radio works. Oh, Eddie will like that song. Little Beach Boys. It's an outstanding car, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Well, what a nice car, man. That is just a pretty, pretty car.